I remember the time when ChatGPT was just released. Today it may not feel like much, but at that time everyone was going mad over it. All of us were just amazed at how everything that used to take us a lot of time, like writing essays, coding, paraphrasing, fixing grammar, and things like that could now be done instantly in a few seconds just by telling AI to do it. People even started predicting that Google will die in the next 1 or 2 years. Now the reason they thought Google might die is because when they thought of Google, what came to their mind was Google search. With ChatGPT, you could ask anything and instantly get direct answers without having to scream through other web pages like we used to do with Google search. Today, that very feature of Google itself uses AI. Nowadays, whenever you search for anything on Google, the first response that you get at the very top is an answer from Google's own AI model. And only then do you get links to other websites that may have answers to your query. Recently, Google's CEO Sundar Pichai wrote a post on X saying that AI Gemini app now has over 1 billion users every month. Now many people didn't buy this and commented that the only reason people are using it is because Google has pre-installed it automatically into everyone's devices. Whatever might be the reason, 1 billion users is still pretty impressive. And that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is that Google is not going to die anytime soon. I don't think it will die even in coming 2 decades. And the reason for that is something what Google has been building over all these years. The thing that these new AI companies can only dream of, and that thing is distribution. AI companies like OpenAI and Anthropic can create the best AI model ever and still may not benefit as much as Google can benefit from an average AI model. Because it's not enough to just create the best model if people are not going to actually use it. To give you an example, both OpenAI and Anthropic recently released their best AI model. But the only people that are using those models are people who are either highly engaged in the AI ecosystem or actual coders who are using those models to test or create something. Compare that with Google. The moment Google releases a model, they put it in all of their services from Google Search to Android to Chrome to Gmail and Google Maps and every product they have or will have. Google doesn't have to convince billions of people to start using a new AI product. They can simply put AI into products people are already using. Now understand this. AI is a relatively new technology and how it will be fully used by people hasn't been decided yet. So the more people use your AI enhanced product, the more data points you will have on how they are using it. This way you can add or edit out features on your product according to what the users of that product actually want. Distribution isn't just giving Google users. It is giving Google feedback about how ordinary people are actually using AI. In a nutshell, Google's advantage isn't that it can build the best AI model, but it can put an average model in front of a huge number of people, learn from how they use it, and then use those insights to make the entire ecosystem better. That is distribution at its ultimate power. And this is the exact reason I think Google isn't dying anytime soon.